Hey guys, it's Dan here with another video, and today we're going to be lighting up my basement shop, and we're going to be doing that with a $2 strip of LEDs. You heard me right, I only spent $2 on this whole project, and everything else was scraps. So let's get started. Fudge. Alright, well, finally. Don't staple your finger, kids. Doesn't feel good. Hey, I can see stuff. Excellent. Alright, so I have this area of my shop which usually has decent lighting on this side because of this light bulb, which is not turned on yet. And it's usually has good lighting on this side because of this light bulb, which you can't see, and these lights, which you can't see. That means that there's an area right here that's pretty dark. I don't have much good light for my bandsaw. I don't have good light for my casting table. It's sort of cluttered right now because I'm trying to make it so I can walk through this in video. This is where I cast resins and stuff like that. So this area, yeah, it's not really well lit. So I took some polystyrene board, the blue foam insulation sheets that I had left over, totally free because it was just sheet, a 1/2, like a quarter sheet laying around, cut it into 3 strips. Those 3 strips are the same size, but we got one going this way, one going this way, one going this way. As you can see in the video, I put on the LED strips. There's 2 on each one. This one's the shortest, and it has the least amount of light needed because we have natural light coming from a window over here also. And the thing is that since I used this as the material that I put it against, I can staple it right through into this wooden frame that I have here. This wooden frame initially was to cover up the air vents so you couldn't see them. Well, we can see them, so it doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna staple it right into that. It's totally fine, and since it's insulation, it sort of helps with the insulation anyways. And when I turn it on, I can turn it on with this string, and then they come on. And now I can see perfectly fine. Everything's well lit up right here. I can see everything I'm doing on the bandsaw, everything I'm doing on this table. It's a nice transition from light all the way across instead of being light, dark, light. So everything's well lit up. It all works just great. That should be it. Okay, so the light's off right now. One thing you're going to notice is there's a little bit of light here, but not really enough to see what you're doing. And my phone's doing a good way of correcting for this, but there is a natural window behind us, so that the light's there. And it's going to be like a couple of second delay, so we're going to turn this on. There's the side light, and there's the top light. So now you can see, you can get a lot more detail with the camera, so that means there's actual light here. And you can see the grain and all the wood and all that stuff. So the light's working really well for the camera to capture that. That means the light's working well for my eyes to see. So it's really good light now. And that's the before and after. Here's it coming off. So you can see how there's a lot less definition now on the grain. and it looks a little blurry. That's because the camera is trying to compensate for it, but it's still darker than it looks on the camera. Alright, so funny enough, as I'm recording this video for lighting, my other light sort of went dead. I'm trying to fix that right now, so this side of me is a little dark. Deal with that. Alright, and as I said in the beginning of the video, I paid $2 for this strip of LEDs, which is 15 feet long approximately, and that was a Black Friday deal, I think. So the price is back up to around $3 to $5, depending on where you get it shipped from. I have a link in the description where I got them. They're from an affiliate link, so if you use that link, we're both winning because it's really cheap LEDs for you. They work really well, and I get a little bit of a affiliate thing. So if you like this video, please give it a like. Leave a comment below about what you want to see me make. I can make stuff out of foam, wood, plastics. I might go into metal soon. And be sure to subscribe because subscribing really helps out. Look at one of my other videos. My other videos show me making a whole bunch of other stuff. You can see something with lighting, something with plastic and metal, or even foam fabrication. And we'll see you next time.